Welcome to this special edition of To Your Health. Joining us on this episode is Executive Chef Bryan Ledet and Brenna Dardar, Clinical Dietitian at Terrebonne General Health System. If you're wondering what to do with those holiday leftovers, we've got the solution for you. Today, our guests are going to make a turkey cranberry panini. So I'm going to turn it over to them so they can get started.
Thank you. So like Rhonda said, we're going to be making a turkey cranberry panini. And it's one of those things that is easy to do day after Thanksgiving, couple of days after Thanksgiving, when you're tired of just eating the same old things. So we're just gonna get started, and you always wanna start with preheating your pan, because a hot pan is a happy pan, and nothing's gonna stick to it. So we're gonna start with this is a wheat berry bread. You can use any bread that you have at home. And we're gonna have avocado. So that's kind of weird to put avocado on a panini, but it's delicious, right, Brenna?
Yes, it is.
And to that, we're gonna add 2 slices of Swiss cheese. You can use any type of cheese you want, cheddar, everything's better with cheddar. And to that, 1 big old slice of turkey, and then our homemade cranberry sauce. Now you can use any store-bought cranberry sauce because everyone likes to buy those canned cranberry sauces during the holidays and nobody eats them. You can absolutely buy that and stick that on here. So just spread it and then top it with your other bread. And then we're going to take our butter or margarine or whatever you want to grease your bread and just smear it all over. You want to get that nice golden brown color on your bread. And you're going to take that and stick it butter side down. And you hear that sizzle. And then we're just going to quickly butter the other side. All right, and then while we wait for that to cook, Brenna's going to talk a little bit about the health benefits.
Yeah, so what's great about this recipe is we are using that whole wheat bread. So recommendations are that any grains that you're eating, you want to try and shoot for half of those grains to be whole wheat, whole grains. For the turkey, it's a very good lean source of protein as long as you are choosing the white meat over the dark meat and you are taking the skin off of that as well. Then it'll be a good lean source of protein. Our avocados are great for 2 different reasons. It's got a bunch of healthy fats in there along with the additional fiber that's going to help you feel full longer. And then our cranberries, they have polyphenols in there that give it that bright color, but then also have a bunch of health benefits in there as well. The main one people know of is that it prevents urinary tract infections, but it's also good for your heart, your GI tract, and preventing inflammation as well.
And then we're going to go ahead and flip our panini real quick. You see that nice golden brown color. And then we're going to take our other lovely pan and just press it because it's a panini after all. You can use a panini press if you have one. If not, cast iron works fantastic for this. And we're just gonna cook it until the other side is golden brown like the first side. Shouldn't take too long. Take that off. Perfect. Cut it in half. And then you have the perfect turkey cranberry panini. All right, so once your panini is done, you can go ahead and enjoy it. And don't be afraid to switch up the recipe. Just because there's cranberry sauce and turkey and even avocado, if you don't like those things, don't use them. If you have extra ham left over or anything, go ahead and use that. and it's a crowd favorite, so everyone's gonna be happy with whatever you choose.
And as you can see on screen, we have the recipe cards available so that you can make it your own at home. And we have the recipe for the cranberry sauce as well.
Special thanks to Chef Bryan and Brenna today for sharing that great recipe with us. And if you want to get this recipe and other recipes, we also have them on our website. Just visit tghealthsystem.com. Thanks so much for joining us on To Your Health. I'm your host, Rhonda Alfred, and we wish you a happy and healthy holiday season.